Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So one of the important updates coming forward for 2027 pass out batch for the Cognizant hiring. So finally Cognizant have announced the Digital Nurture 5.0. So in this video I will talk about complete details about the eligibility criteria, about the important tips and tricks and how you can prepare for this. So first of all, remember friend, this is a on campus hiring. So if your college means if in your college Cognizant is coming, then only you will be eligible for this. Otherwise this will show like this, you are not eligible for this. Okay, so that's the reason many of the students are commenting that why I am not able to apply for that. You will not able to apply because if in your college, if this company on campus is coming, then only you can apply for that. Now talking a little bit more about that. So what is actually Digital Nurture 5.0 and is it same as Cognizant general hiring? So yeah, this is not a general hiring. This is a kind of a Digital Nurture program where you will be getting trained from the Cognizant only. Okay, means if you will clear this then you will get the training at Cognizant offices and you will be basically trained on latest technology and all those things. For currently they are hiring for the Java FSE track. Remember, for every year they are hiring for different roles. Previous year they are hiring for Salesforce, for previous year also they are hiring for other role. So that's the reason I want to tell that you have to basically clear this and take this opportunity in a good way, because there is a strong chance and 100% chance of getting a conversion to PPO. So you should apply for this and don't miss. So talking about the round, so actually they haven't mentioned clearly, but earlier what actually used to happen, first of all you have to apply for the applications and then there will be communication assessment and all those. So if in your college this company must comment here, I think format will be same. That is, first there will be communication assessment. Those who clear the communication assessment, they will be eligible for further rounds, and there will be some training will be provided, and post that also you have to appear for interview, and again you have to clear that, then only you will get the offer letter from the Cognizant. So this is a wonderful opportunity. So the things that I want to mention here friends, especially 2027 pass out, please take this opportunity in a serious note, especially if you are getting opportunity. Currently I have posted the video related to TCS NQT 2027. Finally they have also announced the hiring. TCS NQT on campus announced, and soon lots of opportunity will be there. So utilize this time and now be serious. If you need any help or preparation material, I am always here to help you. We can connect on LinkedIn, Insta, or anywhere. So this is why related to Cognizant Digital Nurture 5.0. So as I already tell, application process, you will get the application link through the college only, through college TPO. Okay, if your college means if you are in your college company this particular CTS is coming, then you will be eligible for this. And first there will be a communication assessment, then the further round will be there and you have to clear that. Post you will be getting trained and you have to basically clear the interview for getting the final offer letter. So this is the short video related to that. Remember, if you haven't applied for previous hiring, especially I'm telling to 26 batch, so must apply for that. Cisco and other, students are getting reward, and best of luck those who have exam for the. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.